Karpagam College of Engineering, Autonomous. The Karpagam College of Engineering, established in 2000, is an autonomous institution approved by AICTE, New Delhi, and affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. The college offers various undergraduate and postgraduate engineering programs. It is accredited by NAAC with A grade, TCS, and Wipro with 4,500 students and 426 teaching and non teaching staff members. KCE strives to impart quality education and an excellent career start to all its students. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources on the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered are Electronics and Communication Engineering, Information Technology, Computer Science and Engineering, Civil Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Computer Science and Engineering, Cyber Security, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Computer Science and Technology. Cut-off marks for various castes and various departments. For OC it is 156 to 183, for BCM 86 to 168, for BC 119 to 180, for MBC 86 to 166, and for SC 83 to 122. Facilities are library. Central Library has 73,232 volumes, 26,492 titles, 646 national and international journals and magazines, 8,798 back volumes, 3505 CD-ROMs, 4,566 project reports, 12 newspapers, NPTEL IEEE DELNET adds impetus to thirst for the knowledge. Institutional membership with ASME, CSI, IEEE, DELNET, Institution of Engineers India, DELNET, IETE, ISTE. Sports, outdoor stadium with extensive playing facilities provided for the students with an area of 6 level acres. The following courts or grounds have been laid down with standard specifications for both boys and girls: ball, badminton, coco, tennis court, tennis, volleyball, throwball, basketball, cricket field, football field, handball, and kabaddi. Indoor stadium, the play field facilities available are badminton shuttle, men and women, carom men and women, chess men and women, table tennis men and women. Hostels, the college provides separate hostels for boys and girls. Hostel environment certainly provides self-confidence, instills discipline in the minds of students, and provides scope for developing theirs. The hostel is provided with uninterrupted power supply, water supply, reading hall, round-the-clock security, internet connection, indoor recreation, television, etc. State-of-art kitchen and spacious dining area has been provided for the hostels, and a customized menu caters to the students' needs. Hygiene and cleanliness are emphasized in the hostel, and the other facilities at KEC are transport, cafeteria, gym, counseling center, KICTV, arts and culture, and clubs. The major recruiters at KEC are Microsoft, Amazon, IBM, HP, Zoho Corporation, Athena Health, Soliton, Ernst & Young, Infosys Technologies, Accenture, CSS Corp, TCS, CTS, Wipro Technologies, Inotex Technologies, HCL Technologies, Tech Mahindra, L&T Infotech, Odessa Technologies, Computer Science Corporation, Global Edge, Verizon, Decathlon, FundDreams, Oracle Financial Corporation, Saipem, Sanmar Group, Emphasis, NTT Data, Cafe Coffee Day, Zenith Software, Bhavan Cybertech, Global English, Aeon Hewitt, Birla Soft, Data Patterns, Dhyan Infotech, Dell Systems, Ideation R&D Labs, Hexaware Technologies, Logitech, Kane India Limited, First Apex Software, Cintel, Products Technologies, Payoda Technologies, Shanti Gears, AccuSub Engineering, Avalon Technologies, Pravankara Projects Limited, Tory Harrison, Anamsoft, Merit Software, Reliance Communications, SureSoft, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, City Union Bank, Sundaram Finance, SBI Life Insurance, Kochar Infotech, Hakuna Matana Solutions, Bajaj Capital, CALS Infosystems, V Technologies, Bajaj Capital, Bajaj Alliance, and many more. Result comparison in 2017 and 18. 75.76 percentage in 2017 and 65.7 percentage in 2018. The college counseling code is 2710. Contact college at 91422261905 or plus 91422261906. Website is https://kce.ac.in. College is located in Mailiripalayam village, Othakal Mandabam Post, Coimbatore 641032, and the mail ID is info@kce.ac.in.